Well, welcome back. I just want to say thank you to all of you who watched the last video on fitting out the shop and getting all the equipment and everything set up in here. It's probably not the actual last video because I still have to finish all that space under there, but who knows when that'll be. For now, I'm in here, I'm working. If you don't already know something about this project, you should really check out the all-wheel drive brick 242 SS project. Video 2 should be hitting in about a week. Video 1 is already out. But what we're here for is to give away this tubing roller, tubing straightener. And I want to, like I said, I want to say thank you to all of you who watched the video, who shared it, who commented, the whole bit. It really makes you feel good when you've put that much effort into something and then you see it, you know, take off a little bit. So no further ado, if you will. The winner out of all the entries, all of the comments that had, and you could tell a few people did not watch the video to the end to get the instructions on what they needed to put in a comment. But for those of you who did, I really appreciate it. And the comments, I basically took as liberal of attitude towards the comments as I could to get to what we were trying to answer. And that was, what did you want out of your shop? How big, how, you know, special features, what have you, just anything, comment. One guy just told me it was under a shade tree. So I appreciate all of that. You know, it's hard when you first starting out working on cars, if you don't have extra income, to fix the cars to begin with, but then to try and put together a shop, you know, especially something on this scale. I totally get it. I have worked essentially 35 years in my career, and I've gotten to now build two, only because I got to sell the first one. But it's very humbling to remember that, you know, I remember working out of a single car garage. I remember working out of just my driveway, didn't even own a garage, and then be able to have something like this. I really appreciate what God has done for us and my family. And so again, without dragging this out any further, I think it's probably no beret, but no Bert, no beret, no Barrett, I don't know. Whatever your sign is, I'm going to send you, try and send you a message through YouTube. Otherwise, please contact me. You can get it at the email address below, and we'll get things synced up. I'll get an address from you, and I will get this shipped out to you right away. So again, thanks to all of you who watched. Please check out the all-wheel drive brick. Hey, we'll see you again real soon on another Allison Customs Project Car TV video. God bless. Take care.